Yeah, oh, there's a critter I just saw. Oh, maybe it's a big snapping turtle. He wants to try to like revive it, so what I'm gonna do is just drain it today so it can all dry out, and then I imagine I'll be back to fix it, me or somebody else, whatever, but we're just gonna drain it and let it dry out. The last few I just dug deep spots in them, so they will function as watering holes, but it sounds like this one's a little bit bigger. Plots. Got some corn popping up in the rows.
This heat coming on, there'll be more coming up.
Oh yeah, in the next 2 days it's going to be in the mid 80s. Alright, we got to work our way back through the woods here. Curtis has his push hog on, so he's going to walk it and show me how to get there. The woods are, everything is just sopping wet from all the rain we've been getting. So this trail's already rutted up a little. He didn't want to rut it up even more with the tractor. Clear myself a road here to get back into this pond. Okay, so it might not look like it, but I'm on the pond dam right now. This is typical down here. These they used to be cattle farms, and then they sold off over time, and they overgrow over the years, and trees grow in them and everything else. But this is basically, it looks like a green scum pond. But Curtis is pointing out to me where it's already leaking, so that's why I'm going to cut in this spot. But if you stick with the video, you're going to see there's going to be a lot of challenges here. I'm going to hit some hardwood roots that are, I mean, really tough for me to break through, and I'm going to hit a big vein of rocks also in this pond dam that I need to try and break up and pull out of here. So let's get after it. I'm basically just trying to cut a channel to drain this old farm pond for a future project of fixing it up. Try and get it just a little deeper up here. Yeah, the big pond project will be way too big for me. He wants to basically restore this and make it a much bigger pond so he can fish in it and stuff. So that might be it for me. Just cutting it open. Yeah, oh, there's a critter I just saw. Oh, maybe it's a big snapping turtle. Something right next to that log. Probably a big old snapper.